'Cause baby, like, ooh, it's all another flower lay. The sun goes around the state. Can't wait for the longest day.
Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Vanessa, and today, I cannot believe it, it is officially the 31st of December, which feels weird to say, but I am honestly so prepared and excited for the new year. Without further ado, let's start our new year prep. So first thing I wanted to do, I actually started organising my bedroom already, like a bit by bit. I've even got a few of my kind of oldish stuff in here, the stuff I don't really want to bring with me to 2024 because I know that I need to do my nails. They need a refresh. They need a refresh. I painted them, okay, I painted them and then I just kind of left them and waited for them to go. But the thing that I want to do on my checklist, which is like kind of really important to me, is cleaning my dresser. Now my dresser at the moment is quite dirty. I think it's just because I really put a lot of my makeup stuff on my dresser. It's not looking the best at the moment, but I do have everything organised, which I'm really happy about. But I need to try and organise my desk so you guys can come along with me as we clean this up. This is how it looks. I don't think it came out properly, but here's how it looks. Okay, so now that I have moved my chair out of the way, it's kind of just over here next to my door because I don't want it to distract me when I'm trying to clean up my desk. Let's start and clean up my desk. Okay, so now that I have done that, I am gonna try and do my room in general. That's why I've got the Hoover thing over here. Last time I tried to film when I hoovered, it was really temperamental. So I'm gonna try and get back to you guys as soon as I finish hoovering my room. So I've got my setup going at the moment. I have got my nail remover, and the little tissue paper. I don't know how much I'll need. I don't think I'll need much because like most of it's already coming off. Anyways, question of the day. What do you do for your New Year's tradition? What is your New Year's resolution? Let's start these nails because these nails, they're making me really sad. They're making me want to cry. Like, look at them. The nails are officially nude. I also filed them a little bit. I need to find a New Year's colour and then I need to try and find it and then I'll take it off afterwards. I've got school coming up in the week. I want to try and do a little nail varnish. Side of these look messy, but like this side actually looks really nice. Like I actually did a really good job. I think it's just because my hand shook when I was trying to hold it, because I wanted to hold it up in the air so you guys could still see what I was doing. Keep on doing this, but this is how it looks. I really like it. It's really cute. And now I'm gonna try and wipe the sides of this off. So I'm back and it is now 7:45. So it's been a few hours since I last updated you guys, and now it is time for me to get out there. I really like it. It's really cute. Let me just do a little mirror pan. It's so cute. I don't know why I'm holding my camera like this, but it is so cute. I absolutely love it. excited because I might do a little bit of vlogging, because I know that we're basically, let me explain what we're doing. We're basically doing like a church crossover, which is basically where we go to church at around like 9 to 8 or 10 p.m. and then we cross over to 12 a.m. which will be the New Year's. So I'm really excited to do that. I'm really excited to cross over to New Year. I know a few people in different countries already crossed over to the New Year. We're still in 2023, okay? Like by the time I post this video, we're fully in 2024. I really hope and I'm praying that your 2024 is going really well. I hope that everything that is destined for you is happening. I hope that you're having the best year ever. I really like it. I just kind of replenished my makeup from earlier because I didn't want to do like a whole new face kind of look. I still cannot believe that it is New Year's. That feels so weird. I feel like I'm probably gonna come back and I'm gonna be so tired, but regardless, I'm gonna make sure to film a little bit for the New Year's. Okay, so it is currently the next day. It is currently Monday, the 1st of January. So happy 1st of January, guys. Basically, what I need to do now is I need to make a digital wallpaper thing. I've already got one on my phone actually. Boom! I really like it. It's such a nice little wallpaper. It's like kind of half drafting of some of the stuff that I want to do in the new year. Here is the in details version of how my thing looks. I actually did little doodles here as well. I really like it. I think it's really cute. I really like how it looks. And now I'm on canvas, so I'm gonna try and decorate my wallpaper quickly because I've seen a few inspiration ones that I need to try and do, so I'm gonna try and do that right now. But I want to show you guys my before wallpaper. So what happened was I had to update my laptop during the December season. So my original wallpaper that I had, which was, this was like a Christmas themed one, it's kind of gone away. So now we've got this like New York one, and I've got all my screenshots in the corner that I need to like clear out because my screenshots are too much. So I need to try and figure out how to change this into something that is more original looking. So this is the before. Let me just make sure that you guys can see that. Now I'm going to try and edit it and you guys are going to see the afterwards. Okay, so this is how it's coming so far. I've got my Pinterest tab open here and I'm basically trying to make it so it's like normal-ish looking. It's difficult though because I feel like I've never used this before, but it's actually a little more simple than I thought it would be. Like I've actually added like a bunch of photos and stuff like that, and I really like the way the photos look. I'm kind of trying to get like a set design at the moment, but this is how it looks so far. I've got like a daily reminder and my little main text, which is gonna be like my grow up era thing. Okay guys, so now that I've done that, I really like the way it turned out. I think it turned out really nice. It's really pretty. I don't know, I want to try also to like try and organize my actual YouTube one, because I feel like my YouTube one at the moment is still very much Christmas themed, and we have moved past the Christmas season and now we're in another one. So I'm gonna try my best to try and decorate my Christmas one. To take away some of the little decorations I have around in my room. So I've still got this. It kind of stood-ish. It like was falling down in the end. I mean, the one thing that did not last, and I will tell you guys this now, if you guys haven't already seen a TikTok where I said this, my tree did not last. Now let me explain to you guys what happened with my tree. Basically, my tree fell down and like it kept on falling down. I was like, I need to get it back, I need to get it back. It's because it's like one of the tripod stands that's meant to have it for it, and it just wouldn't cooperate at all, so we ended up taking down my tree. Let me go and undo all of my Christmas decorations. This is literally the only thing that's left, which is really sad. But I feel like my bed right now, it just looks really sad without its original little sprinkle effect on it. I think I need to try and get like permanent lights so I can put on my bed. If you guys enjoyed the video, if you did, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I really hope that your 2024 as of now is going the best it possibly can do. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.